What if I told you there are two simple money rules that can predict your financial future in just a few seconds? One tells you how fast your money can double, the other tells you how long inflation takes to cut your money's purchasing power in half. If you don't know these two rules, you're only seeing half the picture. Before we begin, comment below. Which would you rather have? Double your money or beat inflation? I'd love to hear your answer. Welcome to Wealth Strategist. Let's start with the rule of 72. The formula is simple. Take 72 and divide it by your annual investment return. For example, if your investment earns 8% per year, divide 72 by 8. The answer is 9. That means your money will roughly double in about 9 years. Simple, right? Now let's look at the rule of 117. This rule doesn't measure how fast your money grows. It measures how fast inflation reduces your purchasing power. Take 117 and divide it by the annual inflation rate. If inflation averages 6%, divide 117 by 6. The answer is about 19 and a half years. That means in less than 20 years, the money sitting in your account could buy only half of what it buys today. Here's the key difference. The rule of 72 tells you how quickly your investments can grow. The rule of 117 tells you how quickly inflation can make your money worth less. One helps you build wealth, the other reminds you to protect it. Knowing both gives you a much smarter financial strategy. If you've learned something new, hit the like button. And tell me in the comments, which rule surprised you the most? The rule of 72 or the rule of 117? Remember, making money is important, but growing your wealth faster than inflation is what creates financial freedom. If you want more simple money lessons like this, subscribe to Wealth Strategist, and share this video with someone who wants to get smarter with money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.